Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see top major openings from different MNCs. Even it's for the freshers as well and experienced candidate as well. The first opening we have that is from the Google. Google is hiring for software engineer 3 and job location is Bangalore. So they are looking for the 2 years of experience and someone with a master's degree or PhD in computer science. So I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out and apply for this opportunity. So the next opportunity we have that is from the Qualcomm. So Qualcomm is hiring for 2026 campus hire system engineer. Job location is Bangalore. So they are looking for someone with engineering degree or the bachelor's degree in computer science or any IT related field. They are looking for someone with 1+ year of experience and someone with this knowledge about the system language and other expertise in software and hardware architecture. So I will be sharing link in my description box, so do check out. Microsoft is hiring for research science intern, so it's for the multiple locations and it's a great opportunity to join Microsoft in an early stage. So it's a great opportunity and it will be an individual contributor role and it's a full-time role. So I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. And as they are looking for the research science intern, so you should be having expertise in SQL, AWS, and different types of business analytics tool like Power BI, Tableau, or it may be any visualization tool. I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. So the next opportunity we have that is from Cisco. Cisco is one of the top product-based companies. So they are looking for the solution engineer, and job location is Mumbai. I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. And the minimum qualification that is required is 12 to 15 years of experience in the field of networking, software-defined network, and cloud security. And you should be having good knowledge about SDN, SASE, and other networking expertise. So the next opportunity we have that is from the Adani. Adani is looking for the technical lead, industry cloud. So it's a great opportunity and it's a leadership role. So where you have to design, develop, and implement those architecture. I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out and make sure you add this all those skills which are mentioned in job description in your resume. And minimum qualification that is required is 10 years of experience in software development and strong knowledge about the cloud and backend technologies. So I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. So the next opportunity we have that is from the IBM. So IBM is looking for AI backend engineer, the one who has great expertise in AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So those can apply, and it's a great opportunity to work with the top companies. And you should be having expertise in LLM, RAG model, and all those AI skills. And job location for this role is in Karnataka. I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. And as you can see, the roles and responsibilities, like you should be having knowledge about LLM, even how is the latency counted, memory ex- expansion, and knowledge about the GPUs as well as the hardware. So I will be sharing this link in my description box. Do check out. And minimum qualification that is required, that is 5 years of experience in AI, ML, deep learning. So first check out with the description and apply for this opportunity. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for daily job updates.